Understand.
الفيديو ده لحبايبي البنات هكلمكم كلام مخصوص.
This video is especially for my dear girls on their way to becoming grown women. I shall explain to you certain facts that you should know about your vagina so you can enjoy a healthy sexual life. Basically, there are three openings at the bottom of a woman's body. First, there's an opening to allow passage of urine. And then there is an opening for the vagina. And the third is that of the anus. The vaginal opening may be hard to find when you're trying to find it for the first time. You can hold a mirror in front of your body and try to find it. It's exactly the middle opening in the bottom of the body.
هي الفتحة بالظبط اللي في الوسط. الفتحة الأخرانية بتكون بعيدة قوي في الآخر، فهتلاقي كده مسافة كده وبعدين هتلاقي فتحة للشرج. ما تعمليش أبداً دوش جوه المهبل بمية قوية وصابون.
Never douche inside the vagina or use soap to clean it. The vagina can be kept clean only by using water and mildly acidic solutions. You should clean the vagina only from the outside and never use soap. It is healthier to wear cotton underwear, as it would reduce the risk of getting vaginal fungal infections, and it will protect you from getting bad odors. The shape and color of the vaginal lips, also called labia majora and minora, is different from one woman to the other. Do not use what you might see in pornographic films as a reference, since many of these women are probably using makeup or have done cosmetic surgeries. If you feel that something isn't looking normal, consult your doctor. Some women with darker skin tones are unhappy with the skin color surrounding the vagina. But you have to remember that this is completely normal. The color of the labia is dark like the color of the nipples. You can use special creams of trusted brand names to help you lighten the skin color, but avoid using creams for long periods of time.
لكن لو انت متضايقه ممكن في كريمات بس تكون حاجات ماركات كويسه وموثوق فيها لان الحاجات الكيماويه.
If you are not satisfied about the shape of the vagina, there are corrective surgeries that will be done after your own consent. The amount of vaginal discharge differs from one woman to the other, but it's important that you observe its color and odor. If the color changes from white or light brown to yellow or dark brown, or blue or green, this is not normal. If the odor changes to fishy or cheesy, this can be a sign of vaginal infection. The vagina is made up of walls which contain muscles. With exercising the vaginal muscles, you can improve your sexual performance.
بنقول عليها في عدوى أو مشكلة ما لازم تتحل. المهبل له جدار، والجدار ده بيتكون من عضلات، والعضلات دي بالتمرين حواليها كمان عضلات بالتمرين بتتقوى وبيحسن أدائك الزوجي. ففي حاجة اسمها تمرينات كيجل إن أنتِ
There are certain exercises known as Kegel exercise by which you can improve the vaginal muscles, especially after giving birth. If you are searching for your G-spot, it is present in the front wall of the vagina, but it's not easy to find in some women. It is linked to sexual arousal in certain sex positions. Be patient. Not all women find it easy to find the G-spot, and not all women will reach orgasm every time through their G-spot. Having a bikini wax is your own decision, and you should not be influenced by cultural attitudes. You must know that bikini hair protects you from bacteria, and there is no need to epilate it. For diabetic ladies, my advice is not to remove the hair from its roots, because it may get infected, and that can be fatal in some patients. For all those who remove hair from the roots, You have to clean thoroughly with alcohol before and after to minimize the risk of getting an infection. If you are diabetic, I would recommend that you shave rather than removing the hair from the roots.
الشعيرات دي لها وظيفة ولو أنت مصابة بالسكر أقترح تحلقيها أحسن بدل ما تشيليها من جذورها.
If you are suffering from vaginal dryness, it might affect your sexual life. You can try applying lubricating gel, which is available at the pharmacies. The gynecologist will examine you only after your consent. If you're a virgin, your gynecologist will not do anything that would harm your virginity. For example, she will do a pelvic ultrasound through the abdomen or collect urine or blood samples. Nothing will be done without your informed consent. Sometimes after vaginal childbirth, the vaginal walls may change, and this might affect your sexual life in a negative way. There are surgical solutions, so always consult your doctor if you have any problems with your sexual life after giving birth. Some women may notice passing masses of blood during their period. This is normal. This indicates that blood is clotted so that you do not lose too much blood. However, if you notice the passage of large, frequent masses, and you feel tired or have fainted sometimes, I'd recommend that you consult your doctor about it. But in general, small masses of blood during your period is normal, and you should not worry about it. Sexual intercourse does not cause pain, and it is supposed to make you happy and relaxed. If there is something wrong during intercourse, such as feeling uncomfortable, feeling pain, or bleeding, you should discuss it with your husband, and a doctor's visit should help you solve the problem. Menstrual pads should be kept in dry places away from the humidity of the bathroom, as this would prevent the growth of bacteria in them and thus prevent several health problems such as toxic shock syndrome. It is advisable that you change your pad every 4 hours if possible, especially on hot days. If there is more blood, you can change it every 2 hours. This was a summary of some important facts that you should know about the vaginal health. I wish you a healthy and a happy life. This video contains general information about medical conditions. The content might not be suitable for everyone and should not be treated as such. Always consult your doctor before using medications. The medical information is provided without any warranties or legal obligations to those who might apply them.